Hey everybody, Carlo with the product team here at TechMetric. We want to go over some of the common questions we get for warranties. So in the previous video, you would have seen us create the warranty job and define what was going to be covered under warranty, as well as define any part returns that needed to happen. And so here we have the warranty job on the estimate, and let's say that we need to replace some of these parts with a different part. The scenario might arise that these two CarQuest brake pads and rotors are no longer available. We can get them quicker somewhere else to get the customer out of the door. It may also be the case that we want to upgrade these from an aftermarket part into an OEM part so that we don't have to warranty this anymore. In either case, we're going to click here on the needed label. This is going to open the parts hub in TechMetric. For the purposes of this video, we'll go ahead and shop these with Parts Tech. We'll shop both parts here. And within Parts Tech, let's say that we want to upgrade to the Platinum. So we'll add these to the cart. Now that those have been added to the cart, we can go ahead and shop for the rotor. Again, let's say we want to take care of the customer and upgrade these to the Platinum. Finally, when we're ready, we can go down here and submit this quote. Navigating back to the TechMetric tab, we can hit the Continue button here. And this is how you're going to map the part back to the original warranty part. So for this Platinum disc pads, we're going to go in here and we're going to map this back to the standard brake pads. And down here for the rotors, we're also going to select replace part and we're going to map these back to the rotors. So when we save this, all the information is being pulled from Parts Tech. And now that we're here back on the estimate, you can see that all of the part information has been overwritten with what we just submitted on the purchase order. And you can see here that we still retain the covered under warranty icon and the replacement label for these two parts. Hope that helps. Thanks for listening.